5 seconds to go. The polity of India is unique in the sense that it has involved the traditions of democratic debate and discussions. The Indian politics is continuously evolving. During the course of evolution of democracy, the Indian politics has witnessed a wider participation of different stakeholders, including the students. The role of the youth in shaping the course of any democracy is undeniable. More than 50% of India's population is below the age of 25 and more than 65% below 35. Given that democracy is the will of the majority and the majority of India's population, nearly 400 million voters, is the youth, it is essential to look at the way this majority can be harnessed to participate in democracy and contribute towards the development of the country. Student politics aims to infuse the democratic principles among young generation. Student and politics have always been the core of almost all the revolutions that have taken place. Once the student starts taking interest in the politics of his country, the change is bound to come. In India, student movements have more than 150 years of history. In 1848, Dadabhai Naoroji founded the Students' Literacy and Scientific Society as a forum for discussion. This can be considered to be beginning of student movements in India. The first student strike happened at King Edward Medical College, Lahore, regarding academic discrimination between the English people and Indians. This strike was a complete success. As a part of the freedom struggle, there were so many student movements emerged and engaged in it. Swadeshi movement was the beginning of the Indian student movement. This gave students a revolutionary outlook which called them to boycott colleges as well as British goods. The All India College Students' Conference was held at Nagpur in 1920 and the resolution of non-cooperation and boycott of schools and colleges is passed with an overwhelming majority. In addition to this, youngsters played an important role in shaping political discourse during civil disobedience movement and Quit India movement. Stop.